Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to be making an Italian dressing and also a basic Italian salad.
Yes, this Italian dressing that we're going to make today, we had at my dad's, he made it at his Italian restaurants. It's really good, simple, good ingredients, no preservatives. It's got fresh garlic, dry basil, dry oregano, salt, pepper, red wine vinegar, and olive oil.
Excellent, excellent.
And that's it.
All right, let's get cooking.
All right, let's go. Okay, we're going to start off with some really nice big cloves of garlic here.
Yeah, that's some jumbo stuff.
Put them in the blender. We're going to add about a cup of red wine vinegar. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're going to put a cup of red wine vinegar in there. And now we're going to put 3 cups of olive oil.
Awesome. Yeah, at the restaurant, we used to have people buy jars of this stuff from us. I don't know why my dad never bottled it and labeled it and sold it, but we did sell a lot of this dressing.
All right, we're going to put a little black pepper in there.
What is that, about a teaspoon?
Yeah, about a teaspoon. And we're going to put maybe about a tablespoon and a half of salt. And then we got some dry basil leaves.
What is that, about a tablespoon?
Yeah. Somewhere around there. That's how you learn how to cook. You don't measure, you just play it right.
Right, and then you taste it as you go along.
And that's it. Okay. And that's it.
Italian dressing. Okay, now we're
just gonna give it a little taste here and see if it's got enough of salt and everything in there. I think it needs a little more vinegar.
Okay.
And some salt.
It's been a while since we made this dressing.
It's very simple.
Now, you don't want to put too much vinegar in there, so just gradually put that vinegar in there because it can be pretty intense.
All right, we're going to give it another try. Very good.
All right. All right.
And that's it. And you can just you can use this for pasta salad also, which we're going to do today. Also, of course, on salads, with tomatoes and red onions and black olives and some pepperoncinis are always good. Also, you can make an antipasta salad, with your salami and provolone and gabagool and all of that stuff. And
hey, also, this is great for a marinade, also for your chicken breast. I mean,
grilled chicken.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just put your chicken breast in a Ziploc baggie and put some of this dressing in there, and it has just a fantastic flavor. All right, let's make a salad. All right, now I'm going to make a simple Italian salad using this wonderful salad dressing.
Yum, yum.
Okay, I've got some sliced red onion. It's nice and thinly sliced. I got some chopped pepperoncini peppers. Some diced Roma tomato. I'm going to put a few black olives in there. You can use Kalamata olives or just
throw 'em all
regular
in
black
there.
olives. There you go. And where's my presentation?
Nice color, nice colors.
Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put some croutons. Man, because those croutons taste awesome once they absorb those the Italian dressing. Really, really nice. Then we got some Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Nice Italian salad. Very, very simple.
Nice.
I'm going to go ahead and plate this. I'm going to put some of that delicious salad dressing on there. All right. Now I'm going to put some of this delicious dressing on. One nice. Now let me give it an old taste test. Grab a crouton. Excellent. Let me finish chewing my food. Excellent Italian dressing. Hey, this is also great when you're making an Italian sub. So lather some of this Italian dressing on there. Oh my God, you can have a real Italian sub.
Yum, yum.
Hey, thanks for watching. Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to be making an Italian dressing and also a basic Italian salad. Go.
You made me forget what I was going to say.
So this is my
Okay, yes.